On a bit of a whim yesterday, I went to TJ Maxx. Actually, I was going to return something at Nordstrom Rack, and in the same complex there is a Home Sense and a TJ Maxx. So I figured, okay, why not stop by to see what they have? And I've been meaning to see if I can find different ways to organize my makeup on my vanity. And I scored big at TJ Maxx yesterday. So I got this little 3-piece organizer and put my brushes that used to be in a long black elf like plastic container that didn't look, you know, cohesive with everything else. And I got this other container, and people, it swivels. It swivels! And this is the best thing ever. Both of them are from the Tahari Home line. I actually got, aside from these two, I bought a third one, and I'll show it to you. It's here. I have the containers that I replaced that used to be on my vanity. So I had my brushes in these 3 containers, and this is an eye, lips, face. This is an elf container that I've had for a long time. These were ones that I bought not too long ago, and they're to place your sponges. But the little sponges kind of falls through, so it's not that great for smaller sponges. It's great for air circulation and to help the sponges vent and not sort of sit on themselves. But again, the little sponge would fall through, so it's not that lovely. And I don't necessarily love to sit my sponges on metal. I've had different containers for sponges before, and the metal ones tend to leave the sponges with a funky smell, and then the plastic ones get funky themselves, so it's an issue. And then this is one that I've had. I think I got this at Michael's, and it's cute. It's really cute, but it's plastic, and not plastic, like cardboard. And you see this vibe here, this rose gold cardboard and this black plastic really doesn't go with the overall gold vibe that I have here. The only thing that is not gold is my handheld mirror that Michael got me some time ago, and everything else has this kind of gold brass shade to it. The lamp and all the different containers are the same color. So now with these 2 additions, everything is cohesive, and I am so in love with it. I think it looks so freaking great. Now, of course, I have my little stand for my phone. Everything else that I have is silver, is chrome, polished chrome, except for my vanity, my bedroom furniture, and nightstand lamps, and then some of my trinkets to hold my jewelry all have gold. But everything else in my house is silver. So it's weird. I don't know why. I don't know how this happened that I went for gold, but I guess I liked this vibe. This one I've had for a long time, and it kind of pops up. I need to like push it down. These I got from Target. This is a 3-section one, and this is a it has a 4-section here, and then 2 and 2, 1 on each side. And then I have in here some organizers of that same line, also from Target. This is just a 1-piece. I don't know that I have any more. Do I have any more? These are plastic ones, so they're not that one. The only bad thing about these is this is glass and metal, so they're heavy. and to put them in drawers. Yeah, I know, I don't have anything else. So I had bought this one. I need to fix somehow. This organizer that it just has 3 slots, and then this one that doesn't have any slots, from Target. And I had them, I bought them when I lived in Chicago. I had them in the little cart that I had all my makeup in, and they served as organizing devices. This one as well, it was originally for pens, and now that's what I use it for. But I am so in love with these. These are so different from these like rectangular ones that I got from Target. They were all rectangular, just divided in different ways, but they were all rectangles, the same size, kind of the same vibe. People, let's just take a moment. Let's just take a moment for this. I love it. Absolutely love it. So these, all of these, which I know it's ridiculous the amount that I have, but all of these lip liners were in that container, this polka dot black and white container. This is where the lip liners used to live. The brushes used to live here, and the sponges used to live here. And now the brushes are over here, and the sponges are in this little section. These also are different because the bottom part is a mirror, whereas the bottom part is just glass, see-through glass. So I'm in love. I'm in love. I actually bought a third one. I bought this one, and this one from the Tahari line. This also swivels. Let's put it over here. Let's see it better. See, so it's this from this Tahari Home line. But I bought it because I didn't know, how much space I was going to need to organize things. But everything fit perfectly in here and in there, so I really don't need this one. I think I'm just going to return this one. They're so cool, though. I love them. I love the ones that swivel. Love the ones that swivel. Very, very cool. So I just thought I'd show you how my vanity is looking right now, and just because I'm so excited about it, actually. It's not because it's, that you have to do the same or anything of the sort, but I just love it. I love it. I love how it all looks uniform now. I love symmetry. I love uniformity. I like aesthetically pleasing things, art, things that look beautiful. And I think my vanity is accomplishing that now. Love it.